Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install payment, or it's a payment gateway, or you can say a billing panel for your tactile panel. So yes, and it has really good features like your tickets and email sending and all those kind of goodies. So now we'll see some of the features. So here are some features. This is the home page, okay, and home page really looks good. This is what I try to make and make it beautiful. Okay, you can add many more things. This is the shop, how it looks. Okay, this shop is really great. Now we'll go into the Minecraft section. Okay, I made a subcategory in Minecraft like proxy server Minecraft. So you'll find bungee code over there and voiceover like TeamSpeak and all the other stuff. Okay, this is the Discord area. Only I had it JS over there. Okay, and then now we'll add like announcements over here. Announcements are really cool also. Okay, and this is a customer area, so you can see your product over here and all the other kind of things over here. So like invoices, tickets, and your profile. Personally, the ticket section was my favorite. Okay, it looks really good. Okay, and yeah, it's like responsive also. Now we log in into the admin panel. In this panel you can see the revenue and all the tickets open and all the other kind of stuff which a hosting provider would need. Okay, these are the amount of clients in the panel. Okay, these are all the dummy clients which I have. Okay, and these are all the orders which are placed, the invoices, and the products. You can set the products, but keep in mind that you need to make a category first, then you make products. Okay, you need to explore this panel, and this panel has a lot of things to explore. And this is your support area where you can close, open tickets, and okay, and this is your email logs. You can see which email was gone to who. So we are done with looking at the features, and some of the features are like really good in this, so I will explain some of the features and how they work in the end of the video. This was just a showcase in the start, like I'm trying a new style. Okay, so let's see how it works. So now first thing first, we're going to use Cloudflare. Okay, and when you are using Cloudflare, go to SSL and TLS and make it flexible. Okay, most of the time if you use full, it creates some problems. Okay, so better use flexible. If you know what you're doing, you can use full, but SSL flexible is recommended if you're new to this. So now we go back to the Paymenter website and then do documentation and then go introduction. This is introduction here. You can join the Discord server for support. They are really good and they provide us good support. So yes, we have a machine of 20.04. So now we'll go and install this panel into our machine. Before that, you need to add a record also. So first we'll add a record. So you need to add a record. So add, and you can name it as billing. Okay, and you can add whatever IP you have for your machine. So my machine IP is, let me just search for it. It should be somewhere here. Yep, I found it. Okay, this is my machine IP and I'm gonna save it. Do this first because sometimes it takes time, to update. So yeah, just do this first. So after this, we need to go and install it. So we come back to the machine here. Okay, I'm installing it on version 20.04. You can install it on 22.04 also. Okay, whatever version Pterodactyl supports, this panel also supports the same version. If you want to check what version is your machine, you can directly do a screen fetch. Okay, you can write this command here. So paste. So we don't have it installed, so we'll install it. Yes, it's a small package. It will show you about everything what you have installed on, not installed, what's the specs of the machine. So as you can see all the specs over here in one glance. So now we'll start and begin with the installation. So we'll copy one by one all those commands. So we are using general, okay, so that everyone can use it, and we'll do one by one installation. Then this command for MariaDB. Then update a machine after that. This is this is the command to update your resources, the existing resources, and then we'll install all the dependencies which are needed for the installation. Okay. Oh, this is an error because I had installed SQL before also. That's why. So that's fine. So we're gonna do this command now. Composter successfully installed. Now we make a folder and then cd into it. So I'll copy both. We made a folder, then cd, and now we can download it. Okay, then extract, then give permissions so that it can be used as executable. Okay, so and now we need to make a database. So for the database you need to do notepad. Just open the notepad. You can note down the commands. Okay, copy this and paste it here. Okay, so first thing first is your username. I'm going to leave it the same way. Okay, don't touch the IP because if you change this, things can go wrong. You can change the password over here. So I can just say password or coconut and capitals as the password. Okay, if you're changing this here, you need to change over here too. Okay, so keep in mind that. Okay, so then we'll go back to the video now. We'll log in into the database now. Okay, you need to press enter to log in. There's no password for it. So we're gonna copy this. So the password is this over here, coconut. Sorry, press Control X. My bad. Control C, then paste, then enter. Then we'll copy this. Where is the terminal? Sorry, got lost for a sec. Then copy this third command they have given, and then you can see it's written over exit. You can just copy or just type it over there. Okay, then we have exited. Then we need to do this commands. These commands are to be done one by one because if something goes wrong, then you'll have to do the process again. So this is done. Then we need to create a key. Let's create a key. Success. Let's go. Then link storage. Storage has been connected or linked. Let's go. That's good. So now we need to change the parameters in the database. So for this, you need to have FTP or you can directly navigate to the path which I will be showing you. So first thing first, you need to connect to your machine. Okay. Then come back and you will be somewhere in root. Okay. I'll show you that. Your first connection will be in here. Okay. So you just need to press backspace and come back and then go to var www and that paymenter. We had created a folder before, so you can see it now. So you need to press on this. Okay. And you can come here and change the password over here. Okay. Or the other way you can do is you can just copy this path. Okay, you can come to this path. You have already done it, so just copy path here. Okay, oh, we are already in that part also, so you can just do nano. Okay, dot env. See, we are directly in the file, so you can just come and paste the password here. Okay, and if you have changed the database username or the database name, you can change that too over here. So we have kept as coconut, so we'll just put it as coconut here, all small. Okay, so Control O, enter, Control X, we have saved it. Okay, and now we come back in the documentation. So now we have to run this command. Okay, and now we'll create our first username. So for the first username or the first user, and now we'll create our first user. So for the first user, keep in mind whatever you enter wisely, because you need to remember it later on. Otherwise, you will have problems registering a new user or entering into your panel. So yes, so it's asking for an email. I'm just gonna copy paste my email which I use for all the tutorials. Okay, and user password, I'll just put a password, a random password. First name is here, last name is gamer, admin, type 0, then enter. Admin, let's go. And now the tricky part. So we are doing it is SSL. Okay, with SSL. So first thing first, you need to go to this path or you need to create it. Okay, so nano that path. Okay, and then go to this file. You need to create this file here. Okay, so let's make this file. Okay, we made that file. Now you come back to your notepad. Okay, and then copy this. So after you copy, then you can just remove this all, or you can just leave it like that. Just press down, and then you can edit your domain over here. So my domain is billingpanel.coconutplace.com. So it's not panel, only it's billing. So you need to replace it over here. So I'll replace mine. So I'll put billing over here, billing.coconutplace.com or .xyz in this case. Copy. Then you can paste it again over here, also over here, and here too. There are 4 places you need to change it. Okay, then you can copy the thing again. Okay, we copied it and copy and then paste it in the file which we opened. So we'll paste it here. So Control O, enter, Control X. That's done. Okay, so we go back to the documentation, and now we need to create a certificate before we run this commands. So first thing first, we are supposed to create a certificate by ourselves. So I will be giving you the commands in the description below. Okay, you can check them out, or it will be flashing on the screen here. So yes, we'll run this command. So update, then certbot. Okay, and we are using Nginx. So we're gonna use the Nginx commands. I'll give the Apache commands also. Don't worry about that. Okay, we should be good with this. And now we create a SSL certificate. So we'll do this one. And when you do this, you need to make sure that your ports are open. So the port 80 and 443 for your domain or the machine, sorry. So you need to put your panel link over here. So yes, let's paste it here. Copy and then paste it in here. It will take its own time, configuring stuff and all. So as you can see, it's like congratulations, your certificate and all blah 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 is done. So that's good. That's a good thing for us. And let's go back to our setup. So we go back here and then copy, then paste, and then restart Nginx. And if everything was right, then it will be good. If something goes wrong, I will troubleshoot that thing also in this video. So nothing went wrong here and we are good to go. So Nginx restarted smoothly. So that's done. Okay, now we need to give more permissions. Done. Permission done. And now we need to like restart it automatically whenever we reboot the machine. So it's gone cron tab. So we need to add one more here. So we added pterodactyl here. If you have watched my old videos, you'll come to know about it. So we'll add this also, this line here. Okay, then control O, enter, control X. That's it. If something is there above, like you have installed some other panel or some other theme, some themes also have this kind of lines you need to add in there. So you can directly just add your line or just press enter and come down and you can add your new line. The order doesn't matter. So now we need to put the all the juicy stuff in the middle. I mean, all things which are make it possible to restart automatically. Okay. So yes, so we need to go to that path. So nano, paste that path and copy this and enter. This is the file name, this is the path, and this is the file name. So we are opening that file. If it's not there, it will create a file. Okay, nothing to worry about. So we are creating a file because it's blank, you can see. So just paste it over here, control O, enter, control X. Okay, that's it. And now we need to run this last command. And yes, and I think our panel is up and running now. So hello guys, after the installation I did some setup in the panel. So how I did it and why I did it, so that I could show everything in one glance. So this is what it looks like when it's half set up, not full, but yeah, I tried my best setting up most of the things. So yes, I will guide you now how to do everything. So it's really simple. Okay, only thing is like you need to do some of the things very carefully, otherwise the things don't work properly. So first thing first, I'll log in the user name we did. Okay, so this is the SEO login. Okay, you can see. So this is really good, and I'm gonna log in into my account. Okay, so yeah, we got it in. So now, like the first thing first you need to do is go to the admin panel. Okay, so when you go in the admin panel, you need to come to settings. Okay, you need to add a password again, which you have set for the account. So that's done. Okay, you can change everything over here. Okay, I did some tweaks over here and there. Okay, you can see accordingly what you can do, and everything is documented on their documentation site. And if not, you can go and ask in the support channel of their Discord server. So this was it, and I did like some time zone changes. Then you can enable affiliate, how many percent earning should go through the affiliate and all, the company details, whatever you want to put in. So this is credit system, like when you create an account you should get 5 credits like that. So this is cron job, so like when it's ran and all. So this is where all the Google login and all you could see, the SEO login, everything is well documented. If you have any issues with this, you can go and ask the developer. So yes, and this is the mail server I've set up. Okay, this is like everything you need. The mail server you'll get from a hosting, like a web hosting or a domain hosting provider. So yes, you can go and get the mail over there. So basically what I'm using here is SMTP. Okay, so they provide you with the host name, the email username, and the type of encryption they are using, so and the password and the port also. So they provide you everything what you need. So you can then submit and test also. You'll get a test mail in your account, something like this. Okay, it's quick. As you can see, we got a mail. Okay, it takes time sometimes, but yeah, you can wait for some time because it's my server is not in, because my server is not nearby. That's why it's taking a lot of time for me. But it will be faster for you if you have a server which is located in your country or your state. So yeah, So this is a captcha. You can enable captcha also. They have different modes. You can see all the documentation about this on the documentation page, or you can ask. If you can't find a documentation, you can ask on the Discord server. The people over there are really helpful. Okay, this is the edits you can do in the panel. Okay, you can edit this whole colors. You only need to see which color is where, and that is up to you. You will have to troubleshoot that. So you can upgrade the panel over here. Okay, this is all about it. You can see the logs of the mail, what mails are gone. I was just testing with different usernames, so I can show you how it works. So this is done. Okay, the settings are done. So I'll show you extensions. Okay, so the good part about the extensions is this. So this extension supports all Indian gateways. So like PayU, and then your Razor Pay, as you can see here, cash free. Okay, so all the Indian folks out there, you can try out this panel, and it's really good. I have set up a sandbox of Razor Pay, and I will show you how it works. So yes, and this is the add-ons you can use with it. Okay, nothing to worry about. If you have any issues, you can go and ask them. Okay, so this is like all the things. Okay, after you install it will come here. Okay, so this is, now you need to go here. So it's saying to update this, but we are not going to update it because we are not using it. So we are going to go in pterodactyl. Okay, so you need to enable it over here as true. Okay, and then you can name it anything, but I would recommend you to keep it at pterodactyl because you will not get confused. So now you need to put your domain name which is set for that panel. So my panel is here. Okay, so you need to put the panel name, not this. Okay, the exact panel direction. Okay, and keep in mind that the slash is not in the end. If there is a slash, it will cause issues. So to get the API key, what you need to do is come to their documentation. Okay, and go to pterodactyl, and you can check out this photograph. Okay, it is shown which permissions to be given, and where you can find this page is here. Go to pterodactyl panel, admin. Okay, and then come back to application API. So I was testing out things and I told you. Okay, so you can create whatever you want. I have already created, so I'm not going to create it again. You can refer this image over here. Okay, and you can do it by yourself. So that was it about the panel setup. Okay, and now I'm going to show you more of it. So let's close that tab. Let's go back. Okay, so the extension part, payment, what do you say, the panel part is done over here. Now you need to set a payment gateway. It's up to you which payment gateway you want to use. You can enable all of them or disable all of them if you can accept payment from this payment gateways. So I used Razor Pay. So I'm using Sandbox. Okay, so I'm using test mode. Okay, so I'm using this. If you are from India, you know how to apply for Razor Pay. So you need government approval and all. So this is kind of hard to get. But yeah, if you have a real business, you can directly get the key from Razor Pay. I'm just using the Sandbox for now. So yeah, you can even use PayPal. Okay, there is a full documentation how to set up PayPal also, and Strip Pay also. As you can see here, Strip Pay and your PayPal. All the documentations are really good. Okay, be patient and read. So we'll come back. These are the logs, whatever happened during this time. Okay, and your roles, if you want to create some roles for support and all those kind of stuff. Okay, so we have only 2 roles because I didn't create more roles. So if you want taxes, you can add more taxes. So these are the announcement section. So I made some little announcements which you saw on the first page over there. So like join my Discord server, a gamer squad, which we put blogs on. Okay, so this is like what you can do, and this is a discount coupon where you can use it on a Minecraft server, the paper Minecraft server which I've set it. Okay, so yep, this notifications are really cool. Okay, so these are all the products now. Okay, so first thing first, you need to create a category. Okay, First, you could create a category over here, okay, and name it anything. Like for example, I have created a category for Minecraft servers. Under Minecraft servers, you will have the normal servers and then the proxy servers, right? So first thing you do is create Minecraft servers, okay, that's done. Come back over here. After you create, you need to go in products, okay. So you need to create product over here. You can hit create, okay, and then you can create a product, so that, like, for example, I have a paper product, so I created paper, uploaded an image, given the price tag, okay, and all this kind of stuff. So for example, I have all these products now, sorry, the categories. So you need to select the category, which category under it will go in, okay. So mine is a Minecraft server. So okay, so I've created a Minecraft server. So let's, what, we can create one Minecraft server now. Like, I'll show you how to create a category. Let's see which servers are there here. So we'll use vanilla Minecraft, okay. So we'll use vanilla Minecraft, backspace, there was a space, and we'll use this data for the description. So price will be what we can put, 150 or 1500. Image, whatever you want, like whatever you have. I don't have any specific image, so I can't upload. So I'm selecting the Minecraft server category. So no image, and then save. The server is saved. So you can see more tabs over here, pricing and all. So you can put the pricing. For example, you want for a yearly plan or a monthly plan or a 3 months plan. So you can do that. And you can also set up a charge of, like, set up fee. It's up really up to you. For example, I want a five rupee fee on this, because this panel is set for INR, so it will be in rupees. So for example, for this plan, I want to charge you around 1680, or I want to charge you for like 1568. So limit per client is what, how many servers a client can make. So I'll make it 5. Okay, only 5 servers he can make, because if you are opening a hosting server, like, you need to see that everyone gets a one server at least, right? You can increase this according to your capacity also. That's nothing wrong over there. So you need to save it, okay. Everything you do, please save it. The saves buttons are down below. So as I told you, we set up the pterodactyl server right before in that panel over here, settings, sorry, extensions. So now you see the pterodactyl here. So you need to press update, okay, then you select the node. So you need to have the panel installed, okay, first only. You can't do anything else without it. So you need to have the panel installed and then connected also, which we did with the help of the API, which I showed you. So now we are using is our vanilla egg, right? So vanilla egg ID you need to note down, it's 5. So come in the panel again, note the ID down, where you can get your ID here in Nest, okay, Nest Minecraft, and here ID. So you go here and paste the ID, whatever RAM you want to give. I'll give it as 5 GB, okay. Swap I don't have, this is by default 500. You can keep this blank. So RAM, sorry, the CPU I'll give 0. 0 means unlimited, okay. Never give the RAM 0 for Minecraft servers, because if you give the RAM as 0, then it will not start or boot. So for storage I'll give 0, or you can give 5000, okay. 5000 means 5 GB. 0 backups, allocation will give 2, server name whatever you can give, or it can auto generate itself. So 0. Database is also leave this the same, and we are good to go. So this is also saved, okay. This is upgrades what you can upgrade later on, but we are not going to set this up. So now I'm going to show you how to place an order. So let me search for the documentations first. So this is the test ID you can use, okay, for Razorpay, and we are going to use temp mail just to show you how it works. Temp mail. So this is the website I'm going to use. You can make temporary emails and then destroy them after you are done using them. Okay, I think so the ad blocker is not on. Oh, it was on, but it was not blocking ads anyways. So we'll wait for the mails now. Oh, the mail is come here. Let's go. So now we'll create a new ID. Okay, I'll leave this admin account so that you can see it. Okay, so for example, I'll create a new email, billing.coconutpaste.com. So this is what our new user sees. Login. Okay, remember me. You don't need to do that. I simply did it. So demo gamer. Okay, or a capital, sorry. The email which we got from the temp mail over here. You can give whatever password you want, register, and then a email will be gone. So it is important that you turn on the email system before you do this setup. So when you send an email, it will come in here, the email. So as you can see, the email is sent. It can take time depending on the location and the server which you are using. So as you can see, the email is come. So I'm just gonna copy, or you can just click it here. Okay, we can't just click it because we are in a different tab. Okay, so we'll go here and then paste the link over here, and now it should work. So our account is created. See, demo gamer. Okay, you can change your account profile picture over here. So you need to paste your password over here, whichever you have set. Okay, so yep, I have set the email password, the temp email only. So here's the thing about your countries and all, you can set over here. Okay, you can even open a ticket over here. Okay, new ticket, you can create support, sales, or other things not related or something like that, high priority and all. You can explain your stuff over here. Okay, so now we are ordering a game server. So keep in mind that we are ordering and using a sandbox. Okay, no real money is getting used over here. So we're gonna go, this is the announcement area. So shop Minecraft. Okay, so vanilla server showed up over here. Okay, we're gonna buy a paper server. So I have set up everything over here. See, like for quarterly, semi-annual, annual. Okay, so we'll go and do a checkout. Okay, you can use the code coco minus 50. Okay, for a 55% discount. Sorry, rupees discount. So you can see it gave me a discount. Lol. So we're gonna check out with Razorpay. If you have more payment gateway set up, then you can use the other payment gateways too. So check out. So contact details, I'll put anything 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You need 10 numbers, that's why I gave the 10 numbers. So we're gonna use this email which we got from the temp mail, as you can see over here. Okay, so we're gonna use UPI and we're gonna use the Razorpay's sandbox card or the UPI ID here. So this is the success one. So every time you do a payment with this, it will turn out to be a successful payment. If you use this one, failure one, it will fail. Okay, so I'm gonna put this and pay. Okay, 950 rupees I'm paying, and it logged me out because it was my first time and I did not do remember me, right? So yeah, we never logged in after the first registration, right? That's why. So we're gonna put our very secure password. Okay, so as you can see, we are in the panel now. It's showing that it's 1000, but you paid less. Okay, you can see it in the invoice also if you want. See, 950. So we are gonna go back to the client area. Okay, then view, log into the panel. So now you will not be allowed to log in into the panel. Why? Because you need to make an user. and that user password ID will come into your mail because it will come from the pterodactyl panel. So you need to set up the mailing server over there also. Okay, so we're gonna go on this one, see account created. Okay, set up your account. So we're gonna just copy this link because we are using a different browser, not a different browser, but it's a different tab. So we are gonna do this. Okay, we need to set a password, so we'll do the same. We'll leave the same password, reset. Okay, and we are in. As you can see, it's giving the names automatically and all. Okay, we have a Minecraft server ready. Okay, so you can just start it, and you can also use it over here. When the month is ended, it will automatically go. Okay, so yep, this is how it looks when you order from this panel. And I'm gonna show you another thing. Okay, um which is really cool about this panel. So in the admin area, so yeah, you can also see the mails also I got over here. Okay, the emails are really fast. Once it's set up, everything is easy. Okay, as you can see over here, I got like new order mail, verification mail, new invoice mail, a server installed mail. Okay, so my server was ready right over here, so it directly gave me a message that the server is installed. So the server is remapping. It will start and I'll get a message to accept. So when we get that accept button, we'll go back to the main panel so that the server can start, setting it up. So it's done. Okay, we go to the main panel, and now you can see in the orders over here, there's the order, and in the dashboard you can see your revenue. So this is our revenue for today, and like it's 950 rupees only, and 3 tickets are done today, and one is closed, one is open. I like the ticket area over here because it looks very clean, and the developer also is planning to add more features in it. Okay, so it's really good about it. So you can just go and see in the ticket. Okay, you can edit the ticket, you can change the title, you can change the priority, you can close or open it or assign to other admins you have. Okay, who is specialized in that team or field. So this is the order. You can check out the order also. Okay, you can check out the invoice, how the billing was done, okay, on what address and all those kind of stuff. Everything about this panel can be edited. Okay, nothing is like default. So yep, that was it. And you can get the panel link also. So as an admin, you can directly go to the panel. Okay, and you can see what's happening in the server and all. So that was it about this video, and I hope you like this video because I tried something different to make this video, and like a different editing style also. So let's hope that you like the video. And yep, this was a really hard video for me because this kind of stuff take a lot of time. Like as you can see, I made all the stuff in the start, it took me a whole day. So it would be good if you could like and subscribe my channel and also share it with your friends. So this was it for this video, guys, and see you guys in the next video. Till then, tata, bye bye. And keep in mind that if you have any suggestions about any video you want to add, okay, or have on this channel, you can contact me on my Discord server, directly write in my general chat, I will see, or you can DM my bot about your problem. So whenever I'm free, I'll check it out. All the suggestions are really good which the people give me. And yep, that was it, and take care. Bye bye.